Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to Eric Blackmon Guitar. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how I play Promises, Promises by Naked Eyes on 4-string electric bass guitar. The guitar is tuned standard E, A, D, G. And we're going to start the tune with a lead in, moving up to the 10th fret like this. Pretty easy. Now we'll be hammering notes here at the base of the neck. Also be plucking notes like this. Just take the index or middle finger and pluck the strings like that. We want to hammer here at the base of the neck because if we go back here to the pickups, we get popping sounds like this. We don't want that. We want that nice round tone that we get at the base of the neck. Like that. Now let's go back to where we were. Fret 10 on the E string and A string, and we'll play this. That was the E string, A string, E string, A string, and slide down. And then we'll start into the tune. Here's how we'll go from that lead in into the next bass part. 1, 2. And that's our intro. What we did is we went to fret 7 on the D string, played it, and slide up. We're going to hammer that and slide up to the 9th fret and back. So here it is. And then we're going to go to the 5th fret on the E string for an A. Our key is A minor. Do that again. Then we'll go to the A string, fret 5, and play this. We'll move up to fret 7 on the A string and play this. That's an E and an E octave. So that's at the 7th fret on the A string and the 9th fret on the G string. Just like that. So here's the entire thing. And we're going to stop there. Next we'll go to the verses, and for the verses we'll play this. We'll play that twice and that'll take care of the verse. Now what we did there was we went to the A note on the E string, fret 5, and we're going to play an octave to that. Then we'll go to the G note at fret 3, and then to the D note on fret 5 of the A string. So that's. Now we're going to hammer on the open string to fret 5 on the A string, like that. So it's, and then we'll move to the G string, fret 7, pluck it, and pluck it again and hammer on to fret 9, like that. So it's, and then we'll play the open E string like that. So it's, there we go. So here it is. We'll do that again with a variation. Here we go. So we started the entire thing over. When we get to here, we're going to hammer on from fret 5 on the A string to fret 7 like this. We'll do the same thing on the D string, and then we'll play fret 8 on the A string. So it's, so once again, so let's play the entire thing again. And we'll play that for every single verse in the song. Now it's time for the pre-chorus. For the pre-chorus, we'll play this. For that, we went down to an F note at fret 1 on the E string and play. Move to G, and we did an octave there. Then we'll move to the D note at fret 5 on the A string. Move up a whole step, and we played an octave that's E, an E octave, and then a low E. Just like that. So here's the entire thing. And that's our pre-chorus. Now later on, we'll need to extend the pre-chorus a little bit, and we'll play it like this. Now on to our chorus. Now we'll play the chorus 3 different ways. The first chorus will be played this way. So the first time around, we played it this way. And the only difference between the two progressions is we play one this way, and the second one. So it's the same notes, just played a different way. Here's the first time around. Second time around. And after the first chorus, we'll play it the same way throughout the song, and it'll be played this way. So here's how we're going to play that. We're going to start at fret 7 on the D string and go fret 5, fret 3. And you could also do that this way. Now that's at fret 8 on the A string, but I like doing it this way because it puts me down here where I'm going to have to play some more notes. Okay, so that's 7, 5, 3. Then we'll go to the E string and then hammer on from the open E string to fret 1. Like that. So that's open to 1 to fret 3 on the D string, which is an F octave, like that. Then we're going to go to fret 2 on the A string, hammering from fret 2 to fret 3. So that's. Then we'll go up to fret 8 on the A string. 7, 5. So that's. Then we'll play the open A string and hammer on to fret 5 like this. And then play an octave. Then we'll move down to fret 2 on the A string, slide up, then do an octave. So that's. So once again, the entire thing. Alright, now the next time we play the chorus, it will be slightly different. It'll sound like this. For that variation, we went to the G string and we're going to pluck and hammer on from fret 5 to fret 7. Do the same thing on the D string, and then move down to fret 2 on the A string and hammer on the fret 3. So that's. And then we'll follow through the way we did before. Now for chorus 3, we'll do kind of the same thing, except we'll do this variation. So that's plucking from fret 5 to fret 7 as we did before on both strings, and then we're going to move up to fret 8 and hammer on to fret 10, like that. So we'll play that this way. Now for the ending chorus, we'll repeat the same bass line. We'll play this. and that will get us through the rest of the song. Well, all right, my friends, that's how I play Promises, Promises on electric 4-string bass guitar. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.